Good morning. We're here at Mustang Creek fishing and cleaning up.
The reel that I'm using on this trip is actually one that I found floating caked in months of lake scum on Lake Lavon during a kayaking trip. I made a video about that trip. I'll put a link to it in the description. Later, I also made a video where I cleaned up and restored the reel to usable function again. And I'll put a link to that video in the notes as well. Pretty nice one for this creek. Ooh, a bit of an echo there from the concrete of the sidewalk spillway.
That chirping is a dog barking at 4x speed.
If I need to say more, you haven't watched my other videos.
Whoa! Too big for my grabber. Now we have a tennis ball. That's 3.
There's always darts.
It's a good thing I love dogs, because I listen to that for probably an hour. Back to nature sounds. In total, I was at the creek for about 2 hours today. Caught 6 or 7 fish, including this really nice one towards the end. It was about 19 inches long, which would be 3 to 3.5 pounds, but I didn't have a scale. I filled 7 bags with trash, splitting the time about half between fishing and picking up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
I caught my first hanger.